the owner traded this vehicle in. He stated that the mileage was accurate. What else can you say? It's in like new condition, very responsive and a joy to drive with great styling and the high-tech gadgets for a low cost of ownership. Can you say loaded? This pristine vehicle has every single option I can think of and it is in awesome condition. Great finance options available. You will never get the back and forth games here. If you find a lower price on the exact same vehicle with the similar miles and options, we will match the price. This vehicle is a great alternative to the Toyota Tundra, Nissan Titan, Dodge Ram, Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado.